Analyze, rename, merge, or delete unused line styles. Just like object styles, you can use Ideate StyleManager to quickly review, analyze, and correct line styles. The checkboxes for line styles are slightly different from those for object styles. The line style checkboxes include Isolate Duplicates, which randomly assigns a color to line styles with the same definition. You can review the name, line weight, color, and pattern within the style info to the right of the dialog. This easy visualization allows you to quickly review line styles that may be named incorrectly, duplicated, or unexpectedly imported from a DWG import. After analyzing, you can quickly remove all that are unused. Let's merge several line styles into a single definition to better organize our Revit model. You can even drill down deeper and analyze line styles that have been used in Revit schedules.